reason I contacted Mr. Veliz at Veliz Law was because I was put in a situation where me and my wife were going to have to get a divorce, and it was being contested by her attorney, so I was going to need some representation. I was in a position where I was going to have to pay some alimony, and obviously I didn't want to pay an exorbitant amount. I wanted it to be reasonable, so that was my biggest concern. My name's Brad Raka. I live in Winter Park, Florida. Well, I had known David for a number of years, so I knew him from past experience and trusted him. My biggest concern was the price. What was it going to cost me to get a divorce? And his fees are quite reasonable. Again, he explained everything up front, and what the different options were going to be and the steps were going to be and the cost involved with them. So he was answering all my questions perfectly. Everything that Mr. Veliz filed and explained to me and all the steps that going through the process were exactly what I expected. It worked great. In the end, the judge pretty much just signed off on his recommendation. It was spot on. The amount I paid in the end for alimony was considerably less than I expected, so he exceeded my expectations as far as that goes. One of the main things that I was extremely pleased with was Mr. Veliz in the courtroom. He was awesome. We left that courtroom, I felt like I just won the lottery. I mean, he really did an outstanding job in court. We still have a great relationship. I talked to him quite a bit. I would recommend David to anybody for anything like divorce. I would recommend him unconditionally. He was tremendous.